Hi, this is the final screen. We need to work it out. The final video of this particular project. See, login page. These things we have completed, and this is the area where I need to focus. So for cancel button, this is a close button. Good. Now I need to write the code for the rest of the pages. Let's start it. Let me close all the windows to avoid confusion. Now I'll go to my change status page. Login page. For this, I need to write the code. So for this submit button, I need to write the code. Since the user created for the apply passport, the username and password. So I need to check it out. What is the username and password? So over here, I got the passport login details. I'll remove this one. I'll put it here. I'll execute it. So GG. So username is G and password is G. And what is the reference ID and everything? Let me check it out. For G, the reference ID is the passport reference ID is 1307 and the status is in progress. We need to grab this information and show to the user once he log in. So this is the login page where I need to give the details. Okay, now I need to check. Okay, this is a query. I can take it. I can put it here. Okay, so the code which I written for this one, the same code I need to write it for here. Only the table should be changed. So what I can do is I'll write the query, select. So I need to make some joins now. No, I don't want join now. Select star from passport details. Select ID from passport details where username is equal to the username which I given and password equal to the password given by the user. So this is the thing I need to make it out. So I'll put it like this. I'll put this in double quotes, and over here I can have my txt username. I'll have it here .txt. So plus the password column txt underscore password dot text. That's it. This is the query I need to write. So select ID from passport login details where username is equal to text username dot text and the password is equal to this one. I'll make it as a single data. And to make some plus here, plus. So we need to add this one. Let's make it a single line. I'll put it here. Over here, so string query is equal to, this is my query. I'll put this query here. I'll put this query here. If the data retrieved, so what is the data it will give? It will give, if I give G and G, if I give G here, if I give G here, and if I give G here, I'll get the data as 6. That's the one I want. Okay, so this is the one I need to fetch it, 6. So the value will be 6. So this query will be executed to give the value 6. And the value is greater than 0, it's a valid passport user login. And I don't want this option page. In turn, I want to create a page. Right click on the project, add new item. So over here, I'll give it as view status page. I'll give a data grid control. I'll put a data grid view here. Yes, I got a data grid view, and I got my login page. Take this one, put it here. I got my properties, back color, change it as white, and the starting screen is the center screen, and this is where we are able to see the welcome passport user, your status is. I gave this information here. Yes, I gave this information here. I'll have a link label, put it here, properties, exit, click it, this dot, close. That's it, your design is over. Let's move on to the login page. On clicking this button, if he is a valid user, valid passport user, you need to view the status. View status page, VSP is equal to new view status page. VSP dot show this dot hide. That's it. I'll click it here. I go to a login page, GG, submit is a valid passport user login. So I got this by the message box, and it should go to the view status page. Yes, it's going to the view status page. Looks like the code is working well. Now let's move on to the final part of the code. Over here, I need to add my wiki library, and over here the val I'm getting. Okay, so I need to make it as a property. What I'm trying to do is like wiki dot user details dot username is equal to val. So this one is a string and to string. So I got my user details dot username val dot to string. Okay. On the other end, I got my it's ready. The code is ready, and I'm going to my view status page. In the form load, we need to write a piece of code to fetch the data. So as usual, like I'll take some of the code from here. I'll take this SQL client, put it in this page, and I want a SQL connection, put it in this page, and fetching data. Yes, this one I want. Copy it. So on the page load itself I have given, connection.open. I need to write a piece of code. Let's write the code like what is a query. I got the ID here, select star from passport details A, this is called alias, inner join passport login details B on A.id is equal to B.id, where id is equal to the incoming ID which I got. Okay, this is how you are able to get it. This is the query. Okay, so plus ID, and we give this plus ID. So I'll make it a single query plus ID will give the data. Okay, so this is the one I'm going to type it. Let's move on. So my string query is equal to, this is the query, and int ID is equal to, so I'm trying to fetch which is nothing but this one. So convert dot to int 32. So I got my ID now. Over here you are able to see the login page. I sent value, I put it in this username, and I'm going to take this one over here. Sorry, this is the one. So this is a string, this is a string. I convert it to an integer like this. So I got the ID. Now I'm using this ID in this table to join it. I need to remove this one. Query. That's it. So you got the table, and I remove these areas. I don't want this one. I got my data grid view dot data source is equal to ds. Looks like the project is over. Let's see how it works. G submit valid password user login. Oops, it's ambiguous. The reason is where I need to give this a.id or b.id here. Okay, I need to change it here because both table got this id column, so it's get confused. This id is related to a.bd or b.id. Both are same, right? So I'll try to this one. I'll try to give this one. Let's move on. Like I'll give g submit. I didn't get any data. Let me check it out. What could be the problem? So the value is 6, right? So I'll give 6 here. The value is fetching. Looks like there is a problem here. So let me check it out. I'll try to put a message box here. So id.toString to see what could be the problem. So we are reaching the end of the project. I'll put it here id.toString for safer side. It's a 0. It looks like the value is not returning. That's the problem. We found the problem, so the value is not getting returned. The reason is it should be the problem with here. This one is not fetching the data. I'll grab it here. For save aside, I'll put it here. Let's see what could be the problem. I'll try to print it for safe aside. So G valid passport login, the value is 0. Looks like the value which is written here, select count of. Oh my god, this is a problem. I didn't change the query. I need to fetch the ID here. Over here, sorry, I got a big mistake here. So I changed the code over here. This is count of star. Over here, this is the where I need to write the code. Select ID. I fetched the ID here. Okay. I written the code in a wrong place. I need to write it here. Now maybe the functionality will work. Let's see. G submit. Okay, 6. Yes. So the problem with the program is like I've written the code here. I should not write it here. I should write it here. Over here, the code is here. In this button to click. Okay. Looks like there is an issue once again. So I got my ID here, the value, which is val.toString is almost 6, and I'm not getting the ID here. The connection is open. I'm not getting the ID here. Over here we are facing a problem. Let's see what could be the issue. G submit. The value is 6. It's passed. The value is 6. It's passed. And I'm sending the value ID is 6. It's passed. I'm getting the data. The query is, this is a query. Let me try to execute this query into my database to see if everything works fine. It's good. Okay, so data sets. The query is executed, connection, command type text. It's command, dataset fill, dataset is good. ds dot tables of 0. So thing is like once looking at this one, ds dot tables of 0, you are able to do it. So I missed this dot tables of 0. Now once I am running it, so run the project, the user is G and G, submit, valid passport user login, is login reference ID is 6, and you're able to see for 6, and what is the status? And the passport status is in progress. That's it. So this is how you are able to build your project. So on the whole, so this is the overall system I made it. So the login page, once the admin is there, he will move to the option page. So he will apply for the passport. He can apply the passport, or he can change the status. He can change the status, and the user will log in with this button, and he will check the status of his passport. This is how you are able to build it. And as I told, so go to libraries in the project in wikiteki.com. Libraries for this project, you are able to get the Wikiteki DLL file, which you need to add as a reference here. Okay, so and apart from that, all background images for this project is available for this project is available in this libraries. You can use it. So from our company, we are planning to provide more than 1000 projects hands-on as videos practically. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Wiki Code to get regular updates from us, and this enables you to start your own company also. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you will enjoy this one, and if you have any doubts, you can reach us at wikitegi.com@gmail.com. Okay, so this is our email ID. You can reach this particular ID, or you can reach wikitegi@gmail.com. This is also an ID which I am using it. You can use this one. And if you have any feedback or something like that, you can provide a feedback to 766-766-2428. If you have any request about the project also, you can contact us. Thanks for watching this video.